I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have an uncovered pool, you know what a struggle it can be to keep it clean every single day. Thankfully, ProTuff products makes this process way easier with their amazing telescopic pool pole. They also offer different products like a silt and leaf rake for the pool to keep your pool nice and clean, and they are all amazing. The mechanism to extend the pole works very smoothly. It's very easy to adjust the length of the pole. The rake attachments click right into the pole with ease, and it's nice and secure, so you don't have to worry about them falling out while you're cleaning the pool. You also don't have to worry about the pole getting shorter as you're using it because it stays nice and secure. Our pool is on the smaller side. It's 5 feet deep at its deepest point. So this 12-foot telescopic pole is perfect for us, especially since you can adjust the length. And all the ProTuff products work really amazingly. This is a silt net, and it picks up every little thing that is floating around in your pool. I love the leaf rake as well. It has a little lip that makes it really easy to scrape up anything that's at the bottom of the pool that your vacuum might have missed. We love using it for the steps since the vacuum doesn't really do a great job on the steps. This really picks up everything, and no matter what attachment you're using, this telescopic pool pole will not bend. It's very comfortable to hold. It's very sturdy and strong. The company stands behind their product. They offer free replacements for life, which just tells you how confident they are in their product, and you can be too. So if you're trying to keep your pool clean, definitely check out ProTuff products. It's an investment that you won't regret, and that's my point of view.